Please.
Hi, this is one for our serving menu for today. Filipino soup. Wow. This is egg soup. Wow, nice. See, egg soup with noodles. Yes. And vegetable. Wow. So ginisa. And wow, the fish. Nice. It's like a G Idol galunggong. Yes. And other one is dal. See. See. Wow, there it is. See? Very hot. And also the mixed vegetable with cabbage and yeah, and some that the same some are included of potato, yes, and more chili. And the number one, wow, moton. Ooh, nice. Very nice. See, look at that. Wow, beautiful. See, so delicious and so hot. And the vegetable salad today, mix and jelly, jelly sweet with pineapple chunks. So okay guys, so this is for today of Asian menu. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please like and share and comment also. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye.